so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. We were out on a date in my daddy's car. We haven't driven very far. There on the road, straight ahead. The car was stalled, the engine was dead. I couldn't stop, so I swerved to the right. I'll never forget the sound at night, the screaming tires, the busted glass, the painful scream that I heard last. Oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. When I woke up, the rain was pouring down. There were people standing all around. Something warm rolling through my eyes, but somehow I found my baby that night. I lifted her head, she looked at me and said, "Hold me, darling, just a little while." I held her close, I kissed her our last kiss. I found the love that I knew I will miss, but now she's gone. Even though I held her tight, I lost my love, my life that night. Oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave